Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to explain you about conjunction. What is conjunction? A conjunction is a word which joins one word to another word or one sentence to another sentence. See here, listen it very carefully. What is conjunction? A conjunction is a word. A conjunction is a word which joins one word to another word or one sentence to another sentence. Okay, see here. Nivedita worked hard, but she failed in the exam. But Nivedita worked hard. This is a sentence. Nivedita worked hard, but she failed in the exam. So Nivedita worked hard. She failed in the exam. These two sentences are joined by but. Understand? Now next one. Ritik and Abhishek are bosom friends. Ritik and Abhishek. So, Ritik, Abhishek are bosom friends. And these two words, these two nouns are joined by and. Okay. Nandu take tea or coffee. Tea or coffee, whatever. He will take anything. Nandu take tea or coffee. Like this it will be. Coordinating conjunction. Okay. Now, conjunctions are divided into three classes according to the functions. First is coordinating conjunction. Second is correlative conjunction and subordinate conjunction. Okay, this is the third one, subordinate conjunction. So, what is here? Coordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction and subordinating conjunction. So, here are some conjunctions of coordinative conjunction: and, but, or, yet, therefore, otherwise, or else, as well as. These are the coordinative conjunctions, and here are some examples. See, here I will explain you some examples from this. He is ideal, therefore he failed in the exam. He worked hard and he failed. Please give me a laddu or mango. So, Saundarya and Pratyusd demised. Now, next. I hope you understand this now. Correlative conjunctions. Either, neither. What conjunction we have to use in this? Either, neither, not only but, so that, as, both, and, through, at. These are the conjunctions which we have to use in correlative conjunctions. Here are some examples. Neither Sonia nor Pranab. Come here. Neither Sonia nor Pranab. Okay. Comes here. Next. He either a fool or a rope. He is not only a teacher but also a doctor. Radhika is as clever as Padma. Like this sentence are framed in correlative conjunction. Now, subordinating conjunction. What is subordinating conjunction? In this conjunction, it joins one clause to another clause. It joins the one clause to another clause, and the subordinate conjunctions are as if, while, as soon, before, through, although, after, when, where, why, how, till, unless, because, and since. Okay, mostly you will get the since sentence in your exam. So here some examples. She had died before the doctor came. She had died before the doctor came. And the next one. Unless he work hard, he will fail in the exam. Unless he work hard, he will fail in the exam. Next. He informed me that you are stupid. He informed me that you are stupid. Next. I saw her while she was reading a book. I saw her while she was reading a book. Like this the conjunctions will be. Now the last one, interjection. What is interjection? The shocking words. Okay, the shocking words are called interjection, like alas, hush, hello, hurry, oh, wow, what? Like this it will be. So how it will be? Alas, he demised. Hush, don't make a noise. Hush, don't make a noise. Hello, what is the matter? Wow, what a overwhelming dance. Next, what a melodious tune. What a melodious tune. Okay, now like this it will be. So when we are enjoy, what we say, hooray or ha 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 ha, like this. Surprised, oh, what, oh, or what. Next, contempt, why, pooh, like this. Next, in sorrow, alas, ha, ho, no, like this it will be, isn't it? Calling, hello, ho, hello, like this it will be. Appreciation, bravo, here, here. This is a appreciation. See, making of becoming silent. So if you want to make the class silent, what the teacher say mostly, shh, quiet, isn't it? So that is hush. I hope you understand the 8 parts of speech, from noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, preposition, verb, conjunction and interjection. These are the 8 parts of speech. This is the grammar of the English. Okay, ma'am. In next class I will take something else. Till then, bye.